Hello, this is Leisha. Welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back. If you are new here, please hope you like what you're watching me ramble about my planners and planner supplies and subscription boxes is what today is about. Please like and subscribe. I'm up to 63 and I'm so thankful. And 2 away from my monthly goal already of 65 subscribers. So thank you for that. We are going to unbox May, which I can't believe it is actually May. Hold on. Ooh, why that falling? I rearranged like my whole desk today, and it's actually clean. I mean, there's still like piles of um things like this where I need to go through it, but they're very few and far between. And there's actual um there's actual desk. I have a desktop. Of course, now it's covered with this month's subscriptions and fallish kind of thing. Yeah, all kind of things. So, where are we going to start? Let's start. Let's see. Let's start with the things that I can get off the desk. Um, that is we have Hamachi. I got on Amazon. The florals. I need this pet later. Also from Amazon. Washi pet, and it is very spring. Gardening, very floral, super cute. There are 6 in this box. This to the side. Be fun to play with. First up on the pile is the deck subscriptions for this month of May 2025. I'm gonna keep saying that because I'm still kind of baffled. So May, and this month we invite you to step into a world of calm and beauty and grace with calm beauty and grace with our May subscription kit, thoughtfully themed around the gentle charm of lavender, with its soothing bliss and soft floral touches. Now, I usually use this as the dashboard in my Commit 30, and that's what I usually use this for. Oh, I love purple and silver. I love silver. Her foil work is, as I said, every time foil work is just perfect. So this is this month's May kit. I went ahead and added something different this month. I added the journaling kit, because why not? First off, we have a very cute um notepad, little pad, um, gridded and with a cute little light. And then we have, this is kind of extra stuff. We have May, chapter 5. Happy Mother's Day. I do like that. Alright. Die cut. More die cut. Die cut. Oh, parasol. A washi paper calendar, and then several month, some kind of icons. And then we have, this is for the weeklies. It is the weekly date covers as well as the weekend. There are 4 of them now. She heard me. Or she is already planning it, but it's more likely. It just seems Interesting that last month setup I was complaining that there were only 2 weekends and now there are 4. So yay, good on deck. Right, so again, is it deck or is it DEK? I don't know. It's just easier to say deck. Some good girlies of dolls. And then this, let's do these other one first. That's the big one. This is the monthly. Monthly dates and foil, as well as a couple scripts and deco. This is the monthly, very pretty foil dates, and then we have the lavender theme throughout. Again, this is used in my Commit 30. Okay. Next up, I think this is what I added. This one. Tell me something, please. What? What is it? Okay, I'm back. You just needed a bowl. I'm the only one here at the moment. Oh, this is at work. Well, no, I'm not. I'm the only adult awake at the morning. Moment. My husband gets home around 10 tonight. Should be good. So this is the journaling kit that I added. Very pretty, very purple. I'm trying to see if these are one piece or if these are. No, they're strips. Okay. That's the journaling kit. Next up, we have the weekly kit. He needed a bowl. And as tall as that boy is, the bowls are on the middle shelf in the top cabinet. He's still not tall enough to reach that. I mean, I'm barely tall enough to reach that. Because I'm short. Because they're pushed all the way back in the cabinet. And yeah. These are gorgeous, as always. I prefer silver foil to gold. So I don't mind gold. I like gold. It's just silver is my color. My preferred. Foil of choice, metallic of choice. Pretty, 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 pretty. I love with the light green. There we go. Come on, I know there's 2 there. Glitter headers and some deco. I thought there wasn't something there, but it's just gray. Alright, then there is the paper, and apparently a couple black doilies this month. How cute. Okay. These are all double-sided, and we get 2 of each usually. Very pretty. You have a plain black one. What does that look like? Oh, come on. Yeah. That is that one. Pretty. Well, that's neat. Put it all back in here, and then we're gonna move on. Let's keep moving. It's just gonna be a very long video. Put it all together and put it in here, and then It'll get started a little more than I do. Okay. Edit video. Alright. Next up is Sterling Ink. I got it out outside. Package. I didn't open this. Oh. Alright. This month. Let me see. Ooh. Oh, that goes good with the purple. I have to say. So in here we have a B6 um, vellum that I always use in my B6 Wonderland, and then the dates and number date dot. Here, we have everything else. If you've never seen Sterling Ink before, Sterling Ink is very classic. It's very um, floral, kind of vintagey look. In this cute little envelope, we have a very pretty. Oh, excuse me. May or may not try to cut that out. So we have some die cuts. We have some tabs. I use all of them now. Some washi May, and then washi calendar. We always get this nice little card block. And share your sticker spreads. And then we have all the stickers. These are washi. They're all washi. You can also get them in matte. I just particularly prefer the washi. It's a very, very vintagey, very classic, very florals, lots of florals. You always get 2 vellums, which is what's in here. You get the big boxes. And then you have all your date codes. 5 date codes. All about here for now. Code. So that's me. Ooh. Joy leaves from deck, try to get away. So find another. Okay, no problem. I might have to find another look because it is not wanting to go back in. Let's just leave it out. Let's go. Put this way back. Okay. Let's do. Oh, back was required. And I'm like, contemplating canceling it again because guess what? I'm slightly changing my lineup. And I need to try to cut back. And this is most likely what's going to go. Calendar. I got this is the Hobonichi Cousin A5 size kit. Cousin. This is the monthly. Always have our crazy holidays. An A5 size full page sticker. Very pretty. Better. So I changed over to this one, mostly because it had less of the big giant stickers that I don't use, like to write in, and more things like crackers. And covers, and we have them 2 pages. Very, very cute. I mean, it's Sweet Quiet. It's called Sweet Quiet, so you know it's going to be cute. Can't get around it. It's going to be cute. Gravity for last because gravity's always a lot. Do Hubman capture the day. Now, I love these little boxes, but I don't store my stuff like this. Don't know what to do with boxes. Besides sew them out. They're so cute though, like look at that. I'm throw it out, but I don't have anything to do with it. Because I put my stuff in binders. I put my washi on cards. Washi is very cute. We have this yellow thick one. With all kinds of little animals taking, raccoons taking pictures, cows taking pictures, cow taking picture. We have our die cuts. Again, this is the ultimate kit on Hubman and Chubgirl. They have different like levels of kits. This one has all of everything in it, obviously. They are Canadian company, but with all the mess that is going on, let's just find a diplomatic word for it. The cluster that is going on. If that's diplomatic, I don't think it is, but it is what it is. They are opening a U.S. Head warehouse, so they will be printing inside the U.S. So that's good. They just announced that. So the kits for next month might get delayed though. And that's fine. I understand they've been very, very transparent with how it's affecting them and what they're planning to do and what they're trying to do to keep ahead of everything. And it's been quite refreshing, actually. And for some reason, I give them props. The bottom of this one is warped, so the sticky part is, now look, I might just take it off? I'm just gonna take it off. Otherwise, it's gonna continue to catch on things. Prizes averted. Here we have very cute the Polaroids. Oh, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Here we have washi versions, squares, and we have like frames. What I want. Onto the kit. And I do keep this. I need a new German, I think. I don't know what to do with this box, and I'd welcome suggestions. They're really cute, and I suppose throwing them away, but I don't have anything to put in them. It's not how I store things. I don't have the room to store things like that. Alright, we have this is the cousin kit. Okay, we have the monthly. I use this in my A5 common planner, which I am behind on, and I need to catch up with pretty much all of April. That's fun. I still like it though. I have been journaling a bit in it, here and there. I'm gonna have to make some time to do that. Yes, the cousin kit. Next up is the weekly kit. This is kind of geared toward a 7x9 vertical. So you can use it in other things. Alright. Next up is the journaling kit. So we have May, somewhat in between Mays. You have your days. You have your monthly date dots, and you have your regular date dots. There. Our little thing sticker. Take these. Yeah. Camera. Polaroid. Oh, and then we're gonna have in this big part of this. Them are more die cuts and big sticker sheets. Sheet. What is sheets? And we also have stick these in the other deck out so they do not get lost. Alright, and then we have the big sticker sheets. We have today. Okay, that's adorably silly. Good. Make it like a Polaroid picture. And we, as always, we have a very cute journaling card. A5 size journaling. Alright. I put everything into here. Because that's how I roll. Except for this one. I usually cut the bottom off of this. I'm sure someone craftier than me could probably do something cool with. So these can go wonderful. Wow. All right. Next up, get this stick out of the way. So I know they had some issues with shipping. With another company that has been very, very transparent. What is going on? So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. It'll be what it will be. These were intended to be the May stickers, not the April ones. Or vice versa. I already had the April ones, so maybe these are supposed to be the April ones, and the ones I already had were supposed to be the May ones. I don't know. But there was a mix up. And it is what it is. Alright, so we have this is the pop pack. Sticky, each of these kits is about $10. Get them together, you get free shipping and all that. Cute little notebook. It's a regular notebook, not a sticker book. We have a die cut, and we have corners. And in here we have, oh, pretty space stuff. Magic. Magic and space. I like that combination. Oh, what a pretty card. That is adorable. I like that, and I don't know what to do with that. At the same time, like, I really like that. Next up is the vintage pack. And we're looking maybe Renaissance, honestly. Art Nouveau. Oh, one of these you say. Okay, we have let's see. Yeah, this is very Renaissance. This is a notepad. Definitely vintage. It's giving fantasy. Those are beautiful. Definitely doing the whole fantasies and stars. Gorgeous stickers. Look at those. Those are very accurate. Okay, and the last. These always come in the binder folder. This is the cute pet. Alright, so we have a cute little chickie with bread and name on it. This is Kawaii Mart. We have a grocery list pad. Here's groceries. Oh, cute little bear going grocery shopping. Market. This will go in with actually the next month's. These will go good with next month's Hubman and Chubgirl kit. The market. Yeah. Definitely go with the June kit. Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect for the June kit. So I'm going to set this aside. I might just set I'm going to set all of them away. So they might not get used, but they can get used in June. Alright, I'm going to bring out, do the grab on top. Now, I never know which month each box is supposed to be, but this vintage one, I think, is supposed to be the May. It's floral. This gorgeous tissue paper. I want to keep this. No, I almost got you off. But yeah, mostly. We're gonna skip ahead. So I've been talking about my issues with the holy astrology and all of that. So this month I went with a right. What was happening? We'll see how it goes. And then in June, I also be Wonderland 2 was having a sale, and I got free A5s and an A6, half like 190 page ones for like $40. One of them actually. So I am set up for that. Sets me up for June, July, and August. In I'm happy about that. All right, side, long, such gorgeous paper. Like I kind of want to keep some of it and figure out what to do with it. Here we go. Magical mirror. Oh, cute. They're actually mirrors. Oh gosh. Like I want to see myself in my art, in my journal. I want to see myself in my journal, but not quite this way. I've learned over the years that I have to make sure I take selfies, because otherwise I will not be in it. These are gorgeous flowers. So insane pretty washi pet sticker. Vintage World Charm. And we have got paper. Very pretty. Here. We have a very pretty butterfly pin. They've started giving pins. Orient Elegance. Pretty pet tape. Lady. Korean lady. Boudoir window. Oh, oh, pretty. There's a lot in here. Oh, that's like heavy acetate. That's like heavy, heavy duty. Vintage vignette. Oh, so this is like pet tape stickers and furniture and things. Elegant lace. We have doilies and other lace type paper or gravity sticker. Blossom flower of time. Oh, cute. It's um these are washi. These are washi stickers. Strip. Actually, those are vellum. Vellum strips. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. Flower Mania. And that's what we got. We got Flower Mania. Lose this time. No. I still say for the price, this is the best. Like scrapbooking, crafting, journaling. Journaling, not planner. So there's a difference there. But if you just want you like journaling and like scrapbook it applies, this is the best gift. What is this? Charm Curiosities. We are back. Ooh. These are more cardstock than the other ones. The ones are pet. Okay. Butterfly Garden. Very pretty. This seems to be a mix of materials. Cardstock, some coffee or pet. We have a high quality ink 7-color grid pad. Okay. And we have an ink brush to use with it. I can getting help. What 7 colors we have? Yeah, it's like a sepia. And then we have this. More goodies. Oh, we have a notebook. Oh, A6 size. I mean, this is a pretty hefty A6. Nice. What's in here? We have washi. We have note paper, little note paper. We have more like die cuts. We have at least 2 washi. Yeah. We have more paper. We have more strip. These are perforated so you can pull them apart. And we have paper and vellum. How do you? Oh, vellum. Huh. Interesting. Interesting uses of vellum. Alright. I always try to find if I can just stuff everything in. It might not be. But you'd be surprised how much this one is pet. Those are gonna get put and go during the rest of the washing. Everybody else can wash it well. Okay. Don't know. Hey, I can. There's now these three things are going to get put there. I actually really like that notebook. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna keep it in a lovely box, but again, I don't have. I've stored a couple of them in the box, but most of my in the envelope. But this is just gorgeous, and I don't want to throw it away. If nothing else, it'll make no go on a present. All right, so I believe I had Americans my personal rings this um this month to do make it an everyday carry that'll be both for work and personal. I'm just switching up my work planners. Clearly, I go ahead and show you what I got. I'm going to go to from an A5 rings is what I have. I'm going to go to I got this, which is a um happy planner. I got this for like $10 on Amazon because it is 2025, so it starts in January. It is a dashboard. And I got some paper and I got a free Alenze or something like it. There's this lady on the internet who does lots of free printables of every size you could think of. So I got some they call it executive, which is basically this size paper, and I'm going to print out hourly spreads and combine the two. So it'll be kind of Franken planning, and then this will be what stays on my desk at all times, and the rings will go with me, like if I go into the office or if I only please get a new job. Unfortunately, I did not get the one I interviewed for this week, and I am sad. Very sad, but gotta keep on, keep on. Thinking about what to do with that rings because it was really nice. I might turn it into a knitting journal because you can get A5 knitting journal templates on Etsy for not very much. And I have the A5 ring paper to print it on. So I might turn that into a knitting journal just so I use it. But that's the thought. So back to the personal rings. I have gotten this was like 3 packs for not very much on Amazon. So these are just straight up to-do lists. I got this for like $4 on Amazon. It is a 2025. It's got a horizontal weekly in it. I'll find something to use it for. And then we are doing hitting that shit back that bullshit. Coco Daisy personal already punched inserts for the month of May. And this is what I'm going to use. We'll see how it works. I ordered this separately. Open this. I wonder if I can get this one. I can, but it's not a sticky. It's not going to stick on its own. I don't think. It's a little sticky. All right. We have pile. This has gotten bigger. All right, so it comes with, of course, my plants are rooting for me. I don't have any plants, but I'm sure they would be too. Okay, what did I get? So I got creative, I got scrapbooking, and I got the planner one without inserts, which is why I went ahead and went back and bought this. I'll have 1 month of the planner where I bought them both, and then it's too much money. Went ahead and rearranged and canceled the planner kit for next month, the month after. What'll be. Let's go ahead and open this one first. Why did I cancel this one over the other ones? I think this is the one I like the least. It was the newest, and it was also the one at least they have always give you a pen, which it's a fine ballpoint pen. I'm not a big ballpoint fan, so but I have some things that might be good. This might be good for writing on the sweet quai. You have our first washi, really pretty. Big tabs and die cuts. Okay, so we have a pen case in this one. Oh, this feels like less than usual on my desk. Or maybe I just got my desk cleaner and less cluttered so that it feels like there's less stuff on it, maybe. I don't know. Very nice. Let's get this out of here. Pen kit. Pen top. So that little notebook and the grabby, it might end up in here at some point as my common plate. So it's a Cocoa Daisy. Yeah, that writes pretty well. I've had some that are kind of duds over the years, but this one writes well. I'm not mad at that. So yeah, I'm getting close to being the end of this. Yeah. I got this one. I'll put another 86 in each of the Wonderland 2. I can keep on saying Wonderland. The Wonderland 2 or this one. We'll go there. All right, back to the kit. All right, I'm gonna put the pen in here for now. You have a very cute little pad. They always give you extra. I have like a thing up there that's full of them. You have corner pouches, stick-on pouch, and corner pouches, which I am actually been looking for one to go in my my sticker book that I put all the 31s in. I need something to slide the Australian ink date ones that I don't leftovers into, and I might just go ahead and use one of those. Nothing is worth more than this day. We have some planner stickers. Which I use some of these, and they're good. A lot of them I don't use this page very much. So this is and then there's some backup. Uh, One of the reasons, one of several reasons why this was not going to be a staple, and why this is the first I cut. I like getting things like I don't necessarily care about the pen, I like getting things like this. But these aren't as useful to me as some other things. There's some pet stickers that are kind of hard to see. Right, and then we have a bunch of paper. Now, I love Cocoa Daisy paper, but these are kind of designed to be in a traveler's notebook, an A5 traveler's notebook, because they are attached. They're a little bit longer than a regular A5. Like, see, the requires quite a lot of cutting off. And yeah, and I am not using a A5 traveler's notebook in that way right now. So that's one of my gripes, one of my things about that and the planner stickers. So put that aside. We're going to move on to the scrapbooking. Why this one wasn't over that? Wish story. The little tags. I guess for breads. If you tag, put it on, or are these like zipper pulls? I'm not entirely sure what those are. They're metal for sure. We have our stamp set. That's one of the reasons why I like this one better. I like the stamp set. We do have another sheet. More die cuts. Some glittered dots, which I do occasionally use. Some sentences, quotes. I sometimes use the alphas. These are not usually something I use, but I have in the past occasionally used them. This is the thing I don't necessarily like about this is the chipboard. I don't use the chipboard because it would chunk up so much. Things I love about this one, besides the stamp set. I love the rub-ons. And I love the paper. So you see this is big size difference. I have to trim a little bit off these when I put on the A5, but I don't have to trim a huge amount. So these are much wider. You get a similar color story to those, but in that one. And there's some white ones. Which I should really collect and put someplace. The white ones and the black ones I have, but I don't know where I would put it. I'm gonna think on that. Okay, so that's what I like about that one. Let's go to the Creative Kid next. These next two are basically my favorite. Besides the fact that they don't have paper. If they had paper, then I would just buy these. Yeah. Alright. We have die cuts. We have a very cute, I love these. I don't use them as much as I should, but I love these. These are little stickers. Little book of stickers. Look at this. We have two more washi. That's in it. We have ephemera. Tags. This is all cardstock. Kind of the tags kind of thing. We have a very nice pad. Every page is different. We have stickers. These I do use. I use these all the time. Every month. We have We have envelopes. There's like little packaging. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. There's like a whole bunch of it. And we have more rub-ons, which we know I love. And the stationery kit, which is probably my actual favorite. We have these are stickers. They're in the form of stamps. Cute little pin that can also be put on one of the. I have a magnetic paper clip that it can go on. Another cute little pad. Another washi. The washi total is 5 for the ukulele, and then stamps. And then we have 2 paper clips with little. This one says renew, and that's an and sign. We have die cuts. One of these has tabs in it, and I think it's this one. I love these. I love these. And then we have more stickers. I use these all the time too. A pretty journaling card. We have more of those really thin washi. We have a beautiful acetate and a vellum to go with it, and that is it. And that is the end of that part of my home. All right. Well, I'm gonna put it all back in here, and then obviously, yeah. This month, I do not have the um. Do not have. Do not have the dashboard kits. That's the one. Okay. Um, I will have it next month. Dashboard kit comes with the same paper dashboards. It comes with both A5 and personal for this side. And so it could be used across in the personal and across all of my. Okay. Now I'm gonna put all this in one. If I can't, I still don't know what these are. Supposed to cover the kit, or did they get put in like separately? Not quite sure. I need to look up on their website and see what they're supposed to be. Okay, so I have an extra one of these. I'm not gonna use it now. I'm gonna keep it though, and it'll either get put with with all the extras. I'm keeping that out now. And in case I want to separate something out later, it'll go into my. I will keep it for sure. It'll go into like my drawer full of them. Okay. And that is, I think that's everything. Let me double check. I think you've probably seen most of the stuff in here. It is, yeah. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using for butterflies and dragonflies. A big ass dragonfly. Look at that. I didn't realize it would be that big. So these are probably the charms and stuff I will be using for this month and next couple months. So I started with stickers in there. I couldn't figure out what to put them in, and I realized I had all of the charms in here. I have a lot of them. So I'll have to dig through. I don't think it's a good solution. It is a solution. It's not the best solution. Um, so cool. Yeah, I'm leaving here. But I'm gonna have to find my charm out of this. And yeah, so this is what I was doing. I was cleaning up. And if the solution is not a good solution, I'm open to ideas about how to better sort these. Whether it's, because I don't think like a grid box, the plastic, I have one, but I don't think it would do much because so many of them are too big. Figure it out, and then I will see you in the next one, which should be very soon. On right after this. At some point, I will have a. Uh, I'll wait and what else I ordered in the first setup video because it's not gonna be here yet. It's not gonna be here for a while, so we'll stay. I'll talk about it next time. And I think I'm done for right now. I think that's all the kits for this month. I don't know why it seems like less. Am I forgetting one? Don't think I'm forgetting one. Oh well. It is what it is. And then I can show off. I'll show off my how nostalgia is coming. I had some fun in it the other night. I will show you that next one. Bye.